In this cell, we are transposing the files of a clipped transects and creating tables to show data and their averages. We must do this by pivoting the data so that the rows become headers and are recognizable in an Excel table format. The output should be one table per ICE front containing the name of the file, which is the date, and the length of the transect. In this first section, we specify the folder path and the output GDB being used. We know that the folder path has previously been set to our working directory. We then create a destination for the output, a folder named Tables, which can be found in the folder path that we set earlier. The if-else statement used here makes sure that the output directory is not being recreated. If it has been, then the already exist statement will be printed, and if it hasn't been, then a new directory named Tables, as shown previously before, will be created. In this section, a list of all the feature classes have been stated to be used by this for loop. This for loop will execute these statements for all items in a list or set, in this case for all the feature classes. Here it enables the same steps to be followed through all the clipped transects without having to do conversion manually for every date stamp, saving an enormous amount of time through automation. A path and a name is then set for the conversion, with the split text function allowing the XLSX extension to be added and the XL conversion to occur. The second if statement says convert all the files that are not named polygon delineator into Excel tables, else this skip file text will be printed. We do not want to use the polygon delineator table, as it was simply the original polygon from which the other ICE fronts were created. Finally, the text completed shapefile to Excel conversion step will print after the for loop has run through all the files.